writing in my notebook. You can get your throat hooked. I'm a broke crook, taking in how the pros look. Homie looking so shook, bitch get your coat jooked. You were running slow foot, running heated till my toes cooked. Cause that thirst a spill will kill at will. Music is a fluid in my suicide pill. Hey yo, the name is Grice, something nice, get it right. Jesus says black and the devil's white, alright. I'ma switch the scene, flip the green, spit the cream, then I spit your spleen. Guillotine, representing Philippines, sick and mean, I'm bad and blind. No, I won't take a seat, I'd rather stand and die. If you're scared of getting shot, you camera shy, then I slice you up like a samurai. So quit your biggery, make them all submit to a victory. Stick with me, cause I snipe with a sight like a falcon specs, and leave them assassinated for making a change like Malcom.
Cigarette, try to be distressed, call them cancer sticks. Every single day I'm breathing death. Fuck the package you sending, I'll return it to sender. God on the bars, flowing like Avatar, an airbender. Warp your rocks, warp your rocks, antioxidant, releasing all your toxins. You don't really want a problem, hopping on the drum set. I'm all set, grabbing sticks, rocking since the age of 6. Now don't make me school a bitch, now you know I've had that music in me. Opposite is stupidly, intelligence, dependence. And rap these days surrenders underneath the influence. I've been through it, continue it, kept repeating. Hey, Mr. Quiz, you gotta do it. Now it's amazing, you keep blazing at your that imagination. In my state of mind, cities, mine, Toronto's my location on the map. Midwest on the East Coast, respect the selected, rejecting punks until they ghost.